Hello children, welcome to Zero Panic Maths. In today's session, let us continue on some exercise problems based on the substitution method. Okay, in the previous session, we have discussed some solved examples based on the substitution method. And if you have not watched that video, I recommend you to watch that video, and that will help us in resolving the exercise problems also. Let us continue on the first problem. Okay, the first set of problems. Uh, it is given as x plus y is equal to 14 as one equation simply, and x plus x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, we have to resolve these two equations by substitution method. Okay, let us revise the substitution methods. First step is define one variable in terms of another variable. Let us do that. Okay, from equation 2 I can easily find out the value of x from equation 2, because just transfer this minus y to that side. From equation 2 I can say that x is equal to 4 plus y, right, or y plus 4, anything it can be. Okay, let us call that as equation 3. Now first step is completed. What is second step? Second step is substitute this value into equation 1. Okay, substitute equation 3 in equation 1. What is that you are going to get is, in place of x it is 4 plus y. Okay, I'll be getting 4 plus y is equal to 14, right? Okay, 4 plus y that is 2y, so that will be 2y is equal to 14, and take 4 to that side, 14 minus 4. Okay, so that will be equal to y is equal to 10 divided by 2, right? Y is equal to 10 divided by 2, so y is equal to 5 is one value for me. Okay, so second step is completed. Simply substitute the value of y into equation 3, you will get the value of x. Okay, substitute y, I can say substitute y value in equation 3. Okay, what is the value of y? It is 5. So x is equal to 4 plus 5. Simply x is equal to 4 plus 5, and what is that? X is equal to 9. So this is the simple solution for this problem. 4 plus 9 plus 5, that is 14. 9 minus 5, that is 4. That is how you verify the values yourself. Fine. Okay, let us quickly move to the next problem. Okay, again the substitution method. This set of questions, the first set of questions are given with the equations. We have to follow that the substitution method steps and resolve the equations. Okay, from equation 1, the terms, the variables given here are s and t, not x and y. Okay, from equation 1 I will have the value of s, right? From equation 1, s is equal to 3 plus t. Let us call it as equation 3. Okay, substitute the value of s is equal to 3 plus t in place of the second equation. Okay, so substitute equation 3 in equation 2, I can say that. Okay, so 3 plus t in place of s, I can say 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 and 6, right? Okay, now take the LCM and cross multiply. That is the way out here. Okay, so what is the LCM of 3 and 2? That is 6. Cross multiplying this by 3 and this by 2. Okay, and take 6 later to the right side in the next step. Okay, so I'll be getting 2 into 3 plus t and 3t plus 3t is equal to 6. Okay, let me resolve this. Don't get confused here. This is plus, actually this is t. Okay, 2 3s are t6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to, take 6 to that side, it will give me 36. 6 6 because it is multiplication. So it is going to be 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, right? 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. Okay, let me take that step over there. Okay, so therefore t is equal to 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5, that is t is equal to 6. I got the value of t. Okay, second step is completed. Now substitute that value of t in equation 3 to get the value of s. That is the solution. Substitute t value in equation 3. What is equation 3? S is equal to 3 plus 6. So that is S is equal to 9. So S is equal to 9 and T is equal to 6 are the solution for this equation. Let us move to the next question quickly. Okay, so the equations given here are 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, observe that whether these two lines are coincident lines, because I can see that 3 by 9 which is 1 by 3 and minus 1 by minus 3 which is also 1 by 3, 3 by 9 is also 1 by 3. So from equation 1 and 2 I can say equation 1 and 2. Okay, I will directly write from equation 1 and 2 the lines are coincident, or you can say the equations are coincident. The equations are coincident. You don't have to resolve it because you are going to get many solutions. Okay, the equations are coincident, therefore they have many solutions. They have many solutions. So even if you resolve these equations also, one of the example that what we have seen in the last session, that we are going to get a true value, and that those equations will be true for multiple values of x and y. So that is the reason we are not going to resolve such kind of questions. Fine. Okay. Now, so before you go for resolving any equation, first you check whether those equations are coincident equations, then only move forward to resolve that. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Okay, so now the next problem here is the coefficients given here are given in the form of decimals. Okay, let us first convert those into whole numbers so that it will be easy for us to handle. Okay, so this is equation 1, equation 2. Okay, multiply both the equations. How do we convert them into whole numbers? Multiply both equations by 10. By 10. So what is that you are going to get is, if you multiply 0.2 by 10, it will be 2, it will be 3, it will be 13, 4, 5, 23. So that is how you convert them into whole numbers. So we will get the equations as 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Let us call this as equation 3. okay, and then 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Let us call this as equation 4. Okay, now apply the substitution method. Okay, from equation 3 I can say, from equation 3, okay, from equation 3 what can I achieve is 2x is equal to, keeping x here, I'm taking 3y to that side, it will give me 13 minus 3y, okay, 13 minus 3y, and x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Let me call this as equation 5. You can name any number of equations, that is for your convenience. Okay, so the first step is completed. Second step, substitute this into equation 4. Okay, substitute equation 5 in 4. Equation 5 in 4. What it will be? 4 into 13 minus 3y. 4 into 13 minus 3y divided by 2, that is 4x, plus 5y, plus 5y is equal to 23. Okay, let us resolve this. Okay, let me continue here in the next step. It will be uh, 13 fours are 52, 52 minus 3 fours are 12y. Okay, and then it is if I am taking LCM here as 2, it will be cross multiplying, plus 10y is equal to 23 into 2. I'll be again taking the LCM to the right side. It will be equal to 23 into 2, that will be 46. It is going to give me 46. So okay, take y values first. It will be 52 minus 10 minus 2, 2y is equal to 46. Or else I can directly take this 52 to that side. It will give me minus 2y is equal to 46 minus 52 minus. It is going to give me y is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 2. So therefore y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay, I substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 5 to get the value of x. Okay, let us write that statement yourself here, and let me put that value. Okay, 13 minus 3 into y, that is 3 divided by 2. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. 13 minus 9, which is 4, divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 are the solution for these equations. Okay, let us continue on the next question. Okay, now you see the coefficients in this question are given in terms of irrational numbers. Okay, so because of this only we actually are moving to substitution method, okay, an algebraic method, because graphically it is not possible to solve such kind of questions. Okay, let us call this as equation 1. Okay, quickly go for the solution, and this is equation 2. Let us continue the substitution method, step of the substitution method. So I can say from equation 1, I'm getting the value of x. I can say square root of 2x is equal to, okay, square root of 2x is equal to, I am taking my square root of 3y to that side, that will give me minus square root of 3 into y. And what is x? I'm going to get minus square root of 3 divided by 2 into y. So let me consider this as equation 3. That is step 1. Substitute the value of this into the second equation. Okay. Substitute 3 in 2. Okay, equation 3 in equation 2. I can get square root of 3 into minus of square root of 3 divided by square root of 2, okay, into y, okay, sorry, I'll have to write into y, okay, because it is in place of x. I am writing this, okay. This is the value of x minus square root of 8y is equal to 0. Okay, now let us multiply square root of 3 and square root of 3. That will be equal to minus, I'm keeping the minus here, square root of 3 whole square into y. Okay, and okay, let us write this also here, and take minus 8 square root of y to that side. It will give me square root of 8y, right? Okay, now square and square root got cancelled, and what remained is minus 3y is equal to, take square root of 2 to that side. It is square root of 2 into square root of 8y. Let me continue that step over there. Okay, square root of 2 into square root of 8, that is square root of 16. So it is minus 3y is equal to square root of 16y. Square root of 16y. And what is square root of 16? Is 4, right? So minus 3y is equal to 4y. Okay, take 4y also to this side. What it will be equal to? Minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 0. So that is equal to minus 7y is equal to 0. Take minus 7 to that side, will give me y is equal to 0. Right? So substitute that y is equal to 0 in place of equation 3. Okay? Write that also yourself. X is equal to minus square root of 3 divided by square root of 2 into 0. So it will give me x is equal to also 0. Okay, so what does it mean? The values 0 and 0 for x and y only will satisfy these equations. You can simply put that and see here only. So 0 into square root of 2, 0 into square root of 3, 0 into square root of 3, minus 0 into square root of 8. So simply we have verified that also. Okay, let us move quickly to the next problem. Looking at the given equations, I can see that in equation 2 I have something that I can modify. By multiplying equation 2 by 6, I can totally remove the denominators in the equation 2, and we will even modify equation 1 also later. Okay, so let us do that modification to the equation 2 first. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to maintain the values. Okay, multiply equation 2 by 6. What it will get me? 6x by 3 plus 6y by 2 is equal to 6 into 6 into 13 by 6, right? So 6 got cancelled here. 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So what I'm remained with is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, right? So modify this or apply the first step of the substitution method. That is equal to 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Okay, so x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. This is equation 3 for me. Okay. Now substitute equation 3 into equation 1. Now before you substitute, can I modify equation 1 also a little bit so that I'll get some easy value? Okay. So let us take the LCM and then take this LCM to the right side. So I'll get a whole number in coefficient. So modify equation 1. I will write this here only. Modify equation 1 as follows. Okay, I will take the LCM and take the cross multiplication. Taking cross multiplication will give me 3x into 3. Here I will be multiplying that to 3 minus 2y, 5y into 2. Okay, and it will be equal to divided by 6 as the LCM of this and equal to minus 2. Let me continue that over there. It is 9x minus 10y. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 into 6. Right? Minus 2 into 6. Equation will be 9x minus 10y. Take minus 12 to this side. Okay? It will be giving us 12 is equal to 0. Okay, let us call this as equation 4. That is actually modified version of equation 1. Now can I substitute equation 3 into equation 4? Okay, let me write that. Substitute 3 in 4. What I am going to get is 9. What is the value of x? Is 13 minus 3y. 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Okay, minus 10y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so 13 nines are, it is 117 minus 27y minus 27y. Okay, and take the LCM as 2. It will get me 2 tens are, that is 20y, and 12 twos are, that is 24. Okay, and taking 2 to that side, I'm actually merging 2 steps in 1 step because of the space here. Okay, taking the LCM and moving to that side. What it will give me is okay, let us sum up the constants. 117 plus 24 will give us 141 minus 20 minus 27, that is minus 47y is equal to 0. So take minus 47 to that side, it will actually give me 47y is equal to 141. Okay, so y is equal to 141 divided by 47. So 47, can I divide this? 43 is 120, 7 3s are 21, so 141. So I can say it is 3. 47 3s are, you are going to get 141. So what is the result? Y is equal to 3. Okay. Now we got the value of y. Now the last step, substitute that value of y into equation 3 to get the value of x. Okay. Okay, let me do that here only. Let me erase this part and I will do that. Okay, you can write it yourself. Okay, so let me erase this part. Okay, substitute the value of y is equal to 3 here. What I'm going to get is 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. That is 13 minus 9, which is 4 by 2. So what is x? X is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 are the solution for this problem. Okay. Okay. Now this completes the first set of questions in exercise 3.2. Okay. Let us move to the next set, that is equation, that is problem 2. Okay. Now they are asking us to solve the given two equations and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay, so there is an additional step required. Even after finding x and y, an additional thing is required, that is finding the value of m by substituting the value of x and y. After finding x and y, we have to put that into that equation to get the value of m. Let us resolve the equations first. Okay, so this is equation 1 for us and this is equation 2. Okay, let us apply the substitution method. Okay, let us call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay, now from equation 2 I can easily find the value of x. So I can say from equation 2, what I'm going to get is, take minus 4y to that side, I'm going to get 2x as 4y, and this is already minus 24. I'll keep this. Okay, I'll be getting 4 as common, or I can take 2 as common so that I can divide it by 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2 into 2y minus 12. Okay, divided by 2. So that is 2 get cancels and I'll be getting 2y minus 12. Okay, as equation 3. X is equal to 2y minus 12 and that is equation 3, which is the value of y in terms, so value of x in terms of y. Substitute this into equation 1 because this is derived from equation 2. Okay, so write that for yourself. I will be directly putting the value of that. Okay, so 2 into, in place of x it is 2y minus 12 plus 3y is equal to 11. Right, so it is 4y minus 12 to the 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. Okay, sorry, this is 3y. Okay, minus 24, you take it to that side and it will give me 4y plus 3y, that is 7y is equal to 11 plus 24, 11 plus 24, which is actually 35. So y is equal to 35 divided by 7, that is y equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 for me. Okay, now substitute this value of y into equation 3 to get the value of x. Substitute y in equation 3. In equation 3 will get me the value of x. So x is equal to 2 into 5 is the value of y minus 12. Right, so it is 10 minus 12, so x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Let us substitute the value x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 in the given equation y is equal to mx plus 3 to find out the value of m. Okay, substitute, I can say substitute x and y in y is equal to mx plus 3. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Right, what is y? Y is equal to 5. Let us keep m as it is. And what is x? it is minus 2. M is minus 2 plus 3. Okay, take 3 to the left side, that will give me 5 minus 3, okay, is equal to minus 2m. Okay, so that will be equal to minus 2m is equal to 2. Okay, and that is 2 divided by minus 2. So therefore m is equal to minus 1. M is equal to minus 1 will satisfy that equation. Okay, so this is about the equation, the problem 2. Okay, now exercise 3.2. Okay, now let us stop our discussion here only, because exercise 3.2 set 3 are having the descriptive questions. Okay, let us continue that into the next session. Okay, thank you.